In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel a Vrbo reservation. Whether plans have changed or unexpected circumstances have arisen, knowing how to manage your bookings efficiently is crucial. Let's dive into the process to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your owner dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all reservations and communicating with guests. Once you're logged in, head over to the inbox section. This is where you'll find all ongoing conversations and details about your current and past bookings. Next, identify the guest whose reservation you need to cancel. Look for their name in your list of conversations. Once you've located the correct guest, click on their name to open the reservation details. Here, you'll find the option to modify or cancel reservation. This is your gateway to making changes to the booking. After clicking on Modify or Cancel Reservation, you'll see the option to cancel reservation. At this point, you'll need to select a reason for the cancellation. Vrbo provides a list of reasons to choose from, which helps them understand why the booking is being canceled. Make sure to select the option that best describes your situation. Now, it's time to address the financial aspect of the cancellation. It's important to issue a refund to the guest. According to Vrbo's policy, you must provide a full refund for any cancellation you initiate unless the reason for cancellation is due to a documented house rule violation. This ensures fairness and maintains trust with your guests. To issue the refund, follow the prompts provided in the interface, ensuring that all details are correct. A couple of additional tips to ensure a smooth cancellation process. Firstly, keep open communication with your guests throughout this process. It's always a good idea to inform them beforehand about the cancellation and the reasons behind it. This transparency helps maintain a positive relationship and can prevent misunderstandings. Secondly, familiarize yourself with Vrbo's specific policies regarding cancellations and refunds. These policies can vary, and understanding them can help you avoid any potential issues or penalties. If you have any doubts or require assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Vrbo's customer support for guidance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively cancel a Vrbo reservation while ensuring that all parties involved are treated fairly. Remember, clear communication and adherence to platform guidelines are key to managing your bookings successfully. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your reservation management needs.